Welcome dear students to this video session of maths. So today we are going to discuss on page number 23 a new topic, do as directed. Now here students, what the question says, indicate the biggest angle with the black color. Now here is the first figure, here is the second figure. I have to indicate it down. मुझे indicate करना है कौन सा angle biggest होगा. So to do the same, what I will do students, I have to check it down. This one, this and this, these three are the same. एंड दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. ये स्मॉल एंगल होगा. अगर प्रोटेक्टर से इसको हम मेजर करने जाते हैं तो ये एंगल इट विल बी योर समवॉट अबाउट 75 डिग्री. बट दिस एंगल इज द बिगेस्ट वन बिकॉज दिस मेजर्स 100 डिग्री. दिस वन इज 100 डिग्री. सो बिकॉज 100 डिग्री इज बिगेस्ट, आई विल टेक अ ब्लैक कलर एंड आई विल मार्क इट डाउन हेयर. इससे मैं मार्क कर दूंगा. डू द अनदर सम. व्हाट डज इट से? There are 5 angles in this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These 2 angles are the small, approximate. If we want to measure it, these are the 45 degree angles, and these angles are 100 degree students. So 100 degree should always be the biggest one. So I will take out the black color and I will mark it down. मैंने इससे mark out कर दिया है. Let's do the next sum, which says that students, indicate the smallest angle with green color. Green color, you have to indicate it. You have the sketch pen, you can easily indicate it out. So let's see in this figure, what does it say? There are total 6 angles: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now students, I have to indicate the small angles. These are the biggest angles. I can say that ये दोनों biggest angles हैं. These approximately measures about 45 degree. At the same time, these angles are less than 45 degree. So this should be the smallest. I will indicate it with the color. I'm indicating it with the black color. You may indicate it with the green color or black color, any of the color of your choice. Let's see the next sum. Here in this figure students, these are the 2 biggest angles. This measures more than, it means these are greater than 90 degree. This one also is greater than 90 degree. You have to mark it out. These are the smallest angles. This is the small. Okay, this one also is the small. You will indicate it out with the color. Let's come to the next page students. What does the question says? In the third one, find other angles. Now it is visible. Find other angles which are equal to the indicated angles. Here I have been given some of the angles. Now in every situation one angle is indicated. But to do this sum students, इस sum को करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें ये चेक करना है कि ये तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. अब हर एक फिगर के अंदर जो फर्स्ट फिगर दी हुई है, यानी कि जो फर्स्ट साइड पे फिगर है, दीज ऑल आर द बिगेस्ट फिगर्स. ओके, सो फॉर दिस स्मॉलेस्ट फिगर्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन. सो दीज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड बिगेस्ट 2 angles are given. Fine. First is the big figure, second one is the small figure. Now students, whatever the angle is indicated, shown here, small figures also, these are the small. This is a figure which has 6 sides. This is a hexagon figure. Also this is one hexagon figure. The size doesn't matter students. Whatever the angle is given here, the measurement will remain the same in the small angle. Now let's take an example. This angle is 60 degree. Now what if अगर इस फिगर को हम छोटा कर देते हैं तो भी ये 60 डिग्री रहेगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. This will not create any difference. So now students, when this angle is indicated here, of course this angle will be the same. In the same manner students, in the second figure, this angle was indicated like this in the smallest figure. This is the smallest figure, nothing is given. This is the smallest version of the figure of this one. It means this is also the same. This is 90 degree. This will also be 90 degree. It means I will indicate it out. Let's see in the third one. This is one smallest figure. I have written it down in every figure. This one is the small. This one measures 45 degree. Okay, so this one also will be measured 45 degree in the biggest one. I will indicate it out. In this figure, this was indicated. Of course, in this figure, this will remain the same. Like in this figure, it is the same. This measures 45 degree. In the same manner, this will also measure 45 degree. Now students, one note you have to write it down for this question number 6. What is given here is that put tick mark and fill in the table given below on the basis of the angle indicated in the picture. Now in this picture, students, some angles are given, like 4 columns are given. First, in this column, angles are given, then right angle. If it is a right angle, I will tick it down. More than a right angle. Now more than right angle means what? That I am going to explain you. And less than right angle, what is that? That I will explain you out. Now I'm closing this book and I'm writing it on the notebook that you all have to follow it. So students, here I'm making a note for chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Now students, mind well, when angle starts from 0 degree up to 89 degree, it can be called as acute angle. Okay, which angle it can be called? It can be called as acute angle. And acute angle means less than a right angle. Next one, situation says 90 degree, it is exactly the same, known as right angle. कोई भी एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री का है उसे राइट एंगल हम कहेंगे. एंड व्हेन एंगल इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री मीन्स 91 डिग्री टू 180 डिग्री, इट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज obtuse angle. And obtuse angle means more than right angle. Why more than right angle? Because ये 90 से ज़्यादा है. So more than right angle, I will write it down. Actual में it is obtuse angle, but I will write it down as compared to right angle. तो ये right angle से ज़्यादा होगा. As compared to this one angle is acute angle, I will say it down that this is less than a right angle. So students, the entire thing what I have written it down, you have to pause the video and write it down in your notebook. We'll discuss in tomorrow's session the remaining topic of today's workbook question number 6. Thank you. Have a nice day to all.